muli nating magkasama. Pinaalam na kita kay tita, ang sabi ko ay isasama kita. Di naman kita pababayaan, at sa biyaya alagaan ka. O wag kang mag-alala, basta tayo ang magkasama. Buhay ay walang kasing sigla. O tara na, kibutin natin ang mundo. Sundan natin ang araw, patungo kahit saan. Walang iwanan, walang man o umaraw. Sundan natin ang araw. Teka lang at parang may kulang. Wala akong marinig. Lakasan natin ang musika at ang hinang melodiya. Huwag kang mangangamba, basta tayo ang magkasama. Abutin man ang umaga. O tara na, kibutin natin ang mundo. Sundan natin ang araw, patungo kahit saan. Walang iwanan, walang man o umaraw. Sundan natin ang araw. Kung dumating man sa atin ang hangganan, walang pagsisising ikaw ang piniling tahanan. Tara na, libutin natin ang mundo. Sundan natin ang araw, patungo kahit saan. Walang iwanan, ulan man o umaraw. Sundan natin ang araw. Sundan natin ang araw. Sundan natin ang araw. Umulan man o umaraw.
In Malachi chapter 2 verse 14, as I have read earlier, yun nga, the word covenant. He says, she is your wife by covenant. It is defined as a divinely created relational bond where God binding between himself and mankind by which he would operate.
Look up to the sky. You'll never see rainbows if you're looking down. Just close your eyes and smile. We're looking at the same stars, even when we're apart. No matter where you are.
Danel, love, we made mistakes. We made bad decisions. We grew, we learned, and somehow, through it all, God still brought us here again, together.
The search is over. The search is over.
Love, dumaan ako sa hardest battles ng buhay ko. Marami akong pagkakamali. Pero kalaunan, doon ko lang na-realize na hindi ko pala alam na tunay na kahulugan ng pagkamali. hulugan ng pagmamahal, commitment at pagiging handa ibigay ang sarili para sa taong mahal.
Promise I'll let you down. Cause it's you I've been looking for, I've been searching for. Cause it's you. The search is over, the search is over.
I commit my heart, my love, and my loyalty to you. Ano man ang dumating na pagsubok, problema, hirap, hindi kita iiwan. Harapin natin lahat ng magkasama, ikaw ang mga anak natin. Isama ang Diyos bilang gabay natin sa bawat hakbang.
We're here today because through everything, I chose you. I promise to be your home. I promise to be your companion. I promise to support you in your passions and hobbies. Kahit mag-alaga pa ng tarantula at ahas.
Search is over. I've been looking for, I've been searching for. It's
I
you.
may not be perfect, but I will never stop striving to be the best version of myself. For you, for our family, and for the life we are living. Love. Naniniwala ko, love, na God's timing is always perfect. He allowed our paths to cross, our friendship to grow into love, and this day He has brought us here to begin our road to forever together.
Pasensya na kung minsan magulo, tila mga salita'y lumalayo. Mga pangakong binuhay naliligaw. Ngunit andito pa rin tayo, di bibitaw. Ikaw sa umpisa hanggang sa huli, sa bawat tunos na magdaan.
Nung dumating ka, marami ako natutunan na hindi ko akalain makakaya ko, magagawa ko. Naging mas marunong pa akong magmahal, lalo na sa inyo, lalo na kay Ken.
Sa lahat ng oras na magdaan, maligaw man ang landas, ikaw pa rin ang uwian. Sagot sa dalangin, ikaw ang aking pipiliin.
And whatever life brings us, I hope we always remember how we got here. Two imperfect people making mistakes, growing together, and choosing to stay. Through every season, I pray we continue to choose each other, trusting that God will always lead us where we are meant to be. I love you, love.
Papalit ikaw sa umpisa hanggang sa huli, sa bawat punos na magdaan. Ikaw pa rin palagi kong uuwian. Kahit mahirap magsusumikap.
Love, today I choose you, not just for this moment, but for every tomorrow that follows.
Today, I'm not just choosing the man standing in front of me. I'm choosing every version of you I have yet to
Ang aking pipiliin, at kahit mapagod man ang ating mga puso, at ang tadhana'y parabang sumusuko. Sa likod ng bawat luha't pagkakamali,
mong bumuo ng panibagong kabanata ng buhay kasama. Isang tahanang puno ng pagmamahal, tawanan, pag-asa at pananampalataya. Thank you for choosing me. And from this forward, I will keep choosing you every single day. I love you. Now and always.
Magdaan, maligaw man ang landas, ikaw pa rin ang uwian. Sagot sa dalangin, walang ibang hahanapin. Ikaw lang ang aking pipiliin.